When we talk about Skoda Great Britain Limited, we talk about
good value for money, reliable cars.
A wonderful runaround for the wife.
A great workhorse for everything from upspreading to seeding.
Tremendous lifting power and manoeuvrable too.
Good grip and adaptability.
When we talk about Skoda Great Britain Limited, we're talking about all kinds of people with all kinds of needs. Zeta tractors, Desta forklift trucks, Skoda cars, Jawa motorcycles, and Barham tyres. The range of Skoda cars owes its existence to a surprising history. In 1894, a small works was opened in Bohemia by Dorin and Clement. 11 years later, they began manufacturing cars, which soon achieved popularity in world markets, particularly Japan, where the mayor of Tokyo featured among the proud owners. This fine pedigree was brought into the Skoda fold with the merger of 1925, and manufacturing of the whole range of vehicles from cars, fire engines and ambulances to tractors and motorcycles continued to expand throughout the 30s. Today, Skoda vehicles are exported to 35 countries. In the UK, King's Lynn is the import centre for all Skoda products. But for each Skoda consignment that arrives, it is not the end, but the start of a journey. From its London head office, Skoda Great Britain Limited supports a nationwide network of 600 dealers. This network is fed with a constant flow of product and spares from the company's King's Lynn plant, which was established in 1968 and now employs over 170 people. But King's Lynn is no mere distribution depot. Here, every vehicle of every type is individually prepared for the special demands of the UK customer. New cars, for example, are subjected to up to 100 different checks, and also a further level of corrosion treatment before being passed fit for release. As a result, Skoda can confidently offer a 2-year warranty with unlimited mileage. The same high standards apply across the board, with Skoda Great Britain testing, carrying out final assembly and adding numerous luxury refinements to an already solid product. The use of many British parts and materials in the original manufacture helps maintain the traditional high standards of reliability associated with a long manufacturing pedigree. These are complemented by further refinements built in at King's Lynn by Skoda Great Britain, which sources hundreds of thousands of components a year from within the UK. Many of these are designed to the company's own specification. For example, the innovative sunroof fitted to the Favourite, which has an integrated radio aerial. The result is a product range equipped to satisfy the discriminating customer of the 1990s. range that includes a wide selection of farm machinery, such as this 5.5-ton muck spreader, and a choice of pulling capabilities ranging from 40 to 150 horsepower, including turbocharged models that are tough on the job and gentle on the driver with power steering. The pulling capacity of Zeta tractors is equalled by the lifting strength of Desta forklift trucks. Strength that is matched by the flexibility of a choice of mast heights and load capacity with gas and diesel variants. But whatever the option selected, every forklift is fitted with full hydrostatic power steering, power shift gearbox, a comfortable suspension seat and a compressor. It's a long way from the farm and the factory, but the speedway track is an equally natural home for a company whose connections with motorsport go back to the first decade of the century. The first taste of success in competition came in 1908, when the forerunner of the modern Skoda car came in first at Brooklands. Skoda's winning habit continued through the 30s, with victory in the 1937 Monte Carlo Rally for the Skoda Popular, and on into the 80s, with first place for the Skoda RS in the 1981 European Championships and 17 class wins in 17 years on the Lombard Rally. These are some of the tributes to the company's design and engineering skill. That same skill has made Jawa Speedway bikes a natural winner on Britain's circuits, and Jawa motorcycles a winner with the non-racing public. From the economy of its mopeds and low-capacity motorcycles to the performance of its top-of-the-range 350cc machine, Jawa covers the complete range. For such a winning combination of products, Skoda also supplies a winning tyre. Barham tyres have for many years been the only permissible racing tyre in British Speedway, and the qualities that have created such a track record are also to be found off the track, on the road and on the land. Preparation and innovation that Skoda Great Britain invests in its wide variety of products is matched by the service that lies behind every sale. Large stocks of spares and accessories for the entire range are held at King's Lynn. And the computer-controlled stock and ordering system ensures that all 30,000 different items are always where they're needed, when they're needed. Skoda Great Britain even has its own facilities for reconditioning engines and gearboxes. And just as the company's own fleet of vehicles ensures efficient connections at every dealer outlet, its extensive training facilities guarantee that knowledge also travels fast. All dealers and company staff are continuously kept up to date on the latest technical developments. So local support is always at hand throughout the country. When we talk about Skoda Great Britain Limited, we talk about practicality, dependability and economy, and a great deal more besides.